How to remove TikTok shadow ban. Now, if you believe that your account has actually been shadow banned by TikTok, there are a couple of ways or a couple of things as to why this could be happening. The first thing you can try to do is review your content and make sure that it meets the TikTok's community guidelines. So maybe there is a certain content that might be suspicious for the TikTok algorithm. The second is that making sure that your account is public and your privacy setting is set to the maximum publicity possible. So you must make sure your account is not private. To check that, you can tap on the three lines icon from the top right and go to settings and privacy. Then you can go to this option called privacy, and here you can see all the different options, or you can also go to this account option, and here you can go to account information. If you want though, you can also try to change your account to the business account and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. You can go to audience controls, by the way, and make sure to select 18 and older if you have gotten 18 plus content and so on. The next thing you can do is you can try to clear your IP tracks or anything. So if you're using VPN or multiple different options like that, you want to make sure to not use this because that could cause issues with the algorithm. Now after it's done that, what I would also recommend you do is you try to deactivate your account once and try to reactivate again. And to deactivate your account, tap the three lines icon again and go to settings and privacy. Go to account option, go to deactivate or delete account, then select the option called deactivate and try to deactivate and reactivate it again. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.